He stayed there for nearly 20 years, but Rahul Gandhi's time at his official government bungalow has come to an end. The Congress leader has vacated his 12 Tughlaq Lane residence in Delhi. Now, but before his final departure, the Gandhi kind lashed out at the BJP, saying his house has been taken away from home, for speaking the truth. His sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra echoed Rahul's sentiments, saying he is a brave person who's facing action for standing by the truth. Now remember, Rahul Gandhi has vacated his bungalow a month after losing his Lok Sabha membership and parliamentarian privileges after he was convicted and sentenced to 2-year jail term in connection to the Modi surname defamation case.
19 सालों तक आप इस घर में रहे, किसी घर से एक इमोशनल जुड़ाव होता है। आमतौर पे देखा जाता है कई बार कि जो कई नेता हैं जो घरों को वक्त के अंदर खाली नहीं करते, लेकिन आप पूरे 1 महीने के अंदर घर को खाली भी कर दिया, जबकि मामला अभी कोर्ट में भी है। बहुत लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी चाहते तो रह सकते थे, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते थे।
नहीं, मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ जी, रहना नहीं चाहता हूँ
राहुल,
क्योंकि ये घर मुझे हिंदुस्तान की जनता ने दिया था। 19 साल में यहाँ रहा हूँ, अब मुझसे छीन लिया गया है, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब मैं थोड़ी देर एक सीपी के साथ 10 जनपद में रहूंगा और फिर कोई ना कोई तरीका निकाल देंगे।
राहुल जी वही रहेंगे क्या?
राहुल जी मुद्दे वही रहेंगे।
आप लगातार बेरोजगारी और महंगाई का मुद्दा उठा रहे हैं।
मैं उसको दुगना उठाऊंगा और जोरों से उठाऊंगा, क्योंकि देखिए वो सच्चाई है और वो किसी न किसी को तो बोलनी पड़ेगी। मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
राहुल गांधी डरने वाले नहीं हैं।
भाई ने जो कहा वो एकदम सच है। उन्होंने सच्चाई बोली सरकार के बारे में, इसीलिए ये सब हो रहा है उनके साथ। लेकिन बहुत हिम्मत वाले हैं, बिल्कुल डरते नहीं हैं, नहीं डरेंगे और अपना संघर्ष जारी रखेंगे।
Legally we will fight it out, politically we will fight it out. We will not scare. The people will, those who do all these things will understand later.
12 Tughlaq Lane, which was the official residence of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, has today been vacated by Rahul Gandhi. You can see in the visuals as well that now Rahul Gandhi is leaving from this residence as it is officially being handed over to the Lok Sabha Secretariat, as Rahul Gandhi had received a notice from the Lok Sabha Secretariat to vacate this bungalow which is being there at 12 Tughlaq Lane after he was being disqualified from the membership of Lok Sabha, as it was the Surat Court decision to convict Rahul Gandhi and to give him 2 years of sentence in the defamation case of the Modi surname row. And for that matter, now Rahul Gandhi has vacated this government allotted bungalow. There were some of the officials who were present there, and all the formalities have now been completed. At that point of time, senior Congress leaders, including the former Congress President Sonia Gandhi, General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi, and the General Secretary in charge KC Venugopal were also present there. Even Rahul Gandhi had also spoken to the media that he had spoken the truth. He is not going to bow down and he will continue to raise the matters of inflation and unemployment in the upcoming days as well. By that point of time, he has also mentioned that he will for some time is going to live at the residence of the former Congress President Sonia Gandhi, which is at 10 Janpad, and after that he will very soon going to find out a new residence for him. But for now, the official residence which used to be there since 2005 for Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, that has been vacated, and officially this bungalow's keys have been submitted to the officials of the Lok Sabha Secretariat.